Thinking about becoming a licensed contractor, the process can be overwhelming if you don't know where to start. In this video, we'll break down the essential tips you need to know to get the license the right way, avoid common mistakes, and set yourself up for success. So let's dive in. First things first, do you even need a contractor's license? In most states, if you take on construction jobs above a certain dollar amount, typically $1,000 or more, you need to be licensed. Why is licensing important? It's required by law in many states. It protects you and your clients from legal and financial issues. It allows you to pull permits and work on larger projects. It builds trust and credibility with customers, and it helps you qualify for business loans and insurance. So don't risk operating without a license. Fines, lawsuits, and stop work orders can put you out of business before you even get started. Understanding different types of contractor licenses. Each state has different types of contractor licenses, so it's crucial to apply for the right one. So, general contractor versus specialty contractor. General contractor or GCs can manage entire projects and hire subcontractors, where specialty contractors work in a specific trade such as electrical, plumbing, or roofing. State versus local licensing. Some states like Florida, California, and Virginia have state level licensing requirements. Other states like Texas allow licensing at the local level, city or county. Always check with your state licensing board to find out the exact requirements for your trade. The step by step licensing process. So, getting your contractor's license involves several steps. Let's go through them one by one. Step number one, meet the basic requirements. Each state has age, education, and experience requirements. Most require being at least 18 years old, having relevant work experience, typically 2 to 5 years, and having a high school diploma or equivalent, and some states even require it. Step number two, choose your license type and business structure. Decide if you want a general contractor license or a trade specific license, and choose a business structure like a sole proprietor, LLC, or corporation. Many contractors start as an LLC for liability protection and tax benefits. Step number three, pass the required contractor exams. Most states require you to pass a business and law exam and a trade exam. Some exams are open book, while others require memorization of building codes. Study guides and prep courses can make the difference between passing and failing. Invest in a good prep program to avoid retaking the test. Submit step number four. Submit your license application and fees. Gather required documents, proof of experience, work history, ID, etc. Pay the application fee. They range from $50 to $500 depending on the state. Some states require criminal background checks and fingerprinting. And step five, obtain insurance and bonding. Most states require general liability insurance and a surety bond to get licensed. You may also need workers' comp insurance if you have employees. Shop around for contractor insurance specialists to get the best rates. You can always find it at One Insurance Solutions because we work with contractors specifically. And step six, register with your local municipality. Even if you have a state license, you may still need to register in your city or county before pulling permits. In Florida alone, there's over 400 municipalities that require local registration, so don't get caught unprepared. And in general, these are the steps, but there are some states that require you to do the application first before taking your exams. Here's some common beginner mistakes and how to avoid them. Many first time contractors make costly mistakes when getting licensed, and here's how to avoid them. Mistake number one, not checking state and local requirements. The solution, always verify with your state's licensing board because rules change. Mistake number two, underestimating the exam. The solution, take an exam prep course or use a study guide to pass on the first try. Mistake number three, skipping insurance and bonding. The solution, get insured early. Some applications require proof of coverage up front. Mistake number four, not registering in the right city or county. The solution, if you plan to work in multiple locations, get registered in advance. And mistake number five, operating without a license. The solution, don't risk fines and stop work orders. Get legal before you start working. So, how to fast track your contractor license? If you want to speed up the licensing process, here's how. Tip number one, use a licensing service. Companies like One Exam Prep can handle paperwork, exam prep, and applications for you. Tip number two, take a prep course. Increase your chances of passing the first time by studying the right material. And One Exam Prep has that as well. Tip number three, get your insurance early. Don't wait until the last minute. Some states won't process your application without it. One Insurance Solutions is a great provider of insurance for contractors. Tip number four, register in multiple municipalities at once. If you plan to work in several counties, register early to avoid last minute delays. Again, that's something One Exam Prep can do for you. Getting licensed is the first big step to becoming a successful contractor. If you follow the right steps and avoid common pitfalls, you'll be set up for long-term success. If you need help getting licensed, One Exam Prep can help you with exam prep courses, application assistance, municipality registration, and license renewal reminders. Click the link below to get started and take your contracting career to the next level. Like and subscribe for more contractor business tips, and we'll see you in the next one.